Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we will explore Advanced Micro Devices in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.88. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who acted on our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 15.95% since we first recommended Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.94% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $120.35 would first indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.87% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 23.07% to positive 12.28%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 39.93%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 64.32% and negative 39.57% over the next year. In today's terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $40.88 and $69.23. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Advanced Micro Devices stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price increased by 3.82% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025. It rose from $110.34 to $114.56. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 2.78%, ranging from a low of $112.27 to a high of $115.40. Although the price has declined on 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 5.96% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. With a total of 7 million more shares traded than the previous day, in total, 37 million shares were exchanged for approximately $4.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 38.83%, or $72.72, below the 52-week high and 49.60%, or $112.74, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price hit $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, is generating significant buzz in the market today, with its stock rallying approximately 3.9%. This uptick aligns with a general positive trend among major semiconductor stocks, including Broadcom and ARM Holdings, indicating a broader recovery in this sector. Notably, HSBC analysts have shifted from a bearish stance on AMD, highlighting Saudi Arabia's substantial $600 billion investment commitment as a potential catalyst for future growth, especially looking towards 2026. AMD is positioning itself not just in artificial intelligence's training stack, but as a crucial player in infrastructure, which could redefine its market narrative. As NVIDIA approaches a pivotal earnings report, AMD's edge artificial intelligence investments are drawing investor interest. Additionally, pre-market analyses suggest that AMD, alongside NVIDIA and Intel, is poised for further price increases, reflecting bullish sentiment among traders. As we head into the second half of 2025, AMD remains a compelling growth stock. Its recent performances have attracted notable investment attention, further complemented by significant institutional moves, such as a major U.S. pension fund increasing its stake in AMD. In the short term, these factors could sustain bullish momentum, likely driving the stock price higher. Long-term, AMD's strategic focus on artificial intelligence infrastructure could solidify its position in a rapidly evolving tech landscape, promoting sustained investor confidence and potential for capital appreciation over time. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned AMD an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned AMD a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while they consider the price-to-book ratio to be neutral. Regarding return on investment, the stock has also received a rating of neutral from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support will be provided at $113.30 and $99.87. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing concurrently with the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect the short-term outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and to date, the stock has decreased by 2.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 137 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $100.36. If this is breached, the next support based on accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $88.70. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock moved $3.13 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.78%. For the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.88%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for advanced micro devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 650 thousandths of a dollar. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $114.99. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices faces its first support level at $100.36. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of May, 2025, Guido Philipp conducted an insider purchase of 8,800 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider purchase of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted an insider sale of 7,590 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sale of 9,610 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Papermaster Mark D also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 12.276. Overall, insiders purchased 666,675 shares and sold 889,950 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $109.77, reflecting a decrease of 4.18%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicating a pivot top that was identified 8 days ago. Is advanced micro devices stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and an overall positive trend, it appears that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for advanced micro devices stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we anticipate that advanced micro devices will open lower by approximately 485 hundredths of a dollar, starting at $114.08. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What are your target predictions for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.